Hi there, students. To shake somebody down, or as a phrasal noun, a shakedown. Notice this is an American phrasal verb, although the Brits will understand it. This is to get money from somebody by using threats, extortion, or by tricking them out of their money. I think you'll hear them use this phrase in American films. This is a shakedown. They're trying to get money from me. So maybe there was the police were stopping cars in order to shake down motorists. Yeah, if you pay the fine now in cash, then you can pay it to me and there's no problem. Yeah, so to shake somebody down, this is like extortion. You could shake somebody down by threatening to do something unpleasant to them. Yeah, the mafia shakes down businesses. Insurance, you need extra fire insurance. You can also use this phrasal verb literally, meaning to, for example, there were apples in the tree and I shook them down. I shook the branch, boom, 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 and they fell down. Yeah. They also use this phrasal verb, or the Americans do, to become established in a place, to settle down. So it took us a while to shake down after moving house. I think that use in British English is much more unusual. I think it's probably rather informal. Okay, so I think mostly though to shake somebody down, to try to get money from them by using extortion, by using tricks. Yeah, so in tourist areas there are always people trying to shake the tourists down, to get money from them so that you can get as much as you can, but normally by tricking. If you shake somebody down, you're not being honest, you're using dishonest methods. Yeah, it's effectively like to get somebody, pick them up and shake them and watch the money fall down from them. and I think that's the idea. You might also use this phrasal verb to talk about to search somewhere. So after the shakedown, the police didn't find anything. But again, this is an American meaning. I think to a Brit mostly to shake down is to get money from somebody by tricking them or by threatening them, by blackmailing them, by extortion. Yeah. When he found out that the politician had been taking bribes, he started to shake him down. Yeah, so it's pressuring him for money or forcing him to pay money, or to force somebody to pay an unreasonable amount of money as well. For example, I think you go to the airport, a bottle of water, €3, €4, this is a shakedown. This isn't a reasonable price. So it's an unfair amount, and that's to shake somebody down. Notice, shake somebody down, shake him down, separable phrasal verb, or a shakedown, one word altogether. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To shake somebody down, or a shakedown.